And holy moly, it is time to kick off Battle on the Bank 15. Texas Roller Derby All-Star Army versus Slam Diego Wildfires.
Ready to get right on into it. Been very impressed with that. Heard lots of chanting from the infield. Everyone feels very pumped up. Excited to get this weekend started. And off we go.
First up on the jam line for Texas, 5, 6, 7, 8, Hannibal Record.
That is Boomer for Slam Diego. Both of them headed for that high rail and finding it pretty blocked up.
Thick scrub right off the pivot line with nowhere to go. Both jammers getting knocked down in the infield, climbing up along the track.
But Boomer finds it, pulls out, picks up lead for the first jam of the first game.
Hannibal Record still navigating that full wall of Slam Diego defense as Mallet Boomer now comes in for a scoring pass.
And there you go, finds a little bit of sunlight on that bottom rail and picks up those 5 points. First blood.
Star pass made on the Texas side.
Boomer now reapproaching the pack, ready for a second scoring pass, but Texas is ready for...
Stevie kicks now the jam of record for Texas, cannot escape the pack and drawing first blood in Battle on the Bank 15, the Slam Diego Wildfires.
Let's see what the eyes say, how many points that was. Looks like 4 points on this first jam for Slam Diego. Oh, 9 points. All right, 9 points for Slam Diego. All right, that is Farrell Fawcett jamming for Slam Diego.
Up against Gale Force wins for the All-Star Army. One blocker from each team sitting in the penalty box.
Farrell almost through the front, and there we go, finds it, although Texas put up a nice fight on that front wall there.
All-Star Army doing a great job going right back into offense, helping them get through, and Farrell Fawcett now in scoring contention, goes against the rail, curtailed by the Texas defense.
That's a really solid Texas wall there. They managed to slow Farrell down twice there. Ultimately, though, Farrell is a very fast skater, picking up a lot of momentum. It's going to be tough to slow her down.
Second scoring pass attempted by Farrell Fawcett. Goes high, goes through, scores points. All-Star Army still scoreless after 2 jams. Wildfires picked up another 10 points, making it 19 altogether, 12 minutes remaining in the first period.
Looks like I see one penalty, potentially one penalty for Slam Diego, and it does look like it's a jammer penalty, so this is going to be a power jam for Texas, and that is Tony Montana that's going to be jamming this power jam.
A full contingent of blockers on the track as well. Everyone squeezing Tony Montana right at the pivot line. Star pass.
Nicely done. A successful star pass, breaking them out of that pack, getting the job done.
42-12, Danny Darko, jammer of record.
Danny Darko coming back around. I see, there we go. The old Cinco de Rinco. That is 5 points on the board.
Texas has the pivot caught in the back on the front stretch here, trying to slow down everyone. Danny Darko now coming in for a second scoring attempt. It's pinched against the rail. Goes down, goes through, scores more.
Beautiful. You love to see it.
That's 60 seconds. That's the jam. 10 points put up by the All-Star Army, taking a big chunk out of the Wildfires' lead.
Looks like we got one in the box for Slam Diego. So a little 4-3 pack advantage here for Texas, and that is Allison Thunderland breaking out as jammer for Slam Diego.
Fatality taken to the inside, wearing the Lone Star of Texas. Once again, a star pass to 9-5-6. Hello, Nurse.
Alice now mid-scoring pass, tried for that upper rail, but Texas was ready for it. And now, hello, Nurse, indeed. There's a lot of energy. That jam that was a feisty little jam there.
The 2 points picked up by the Wildfires does not accurately reflect the veracity on the track.
Oh, looks like Texas picked up a jammer penalty, which means we are now going to have a power jam for Slam Diego, and that is Rogue Rammer on the jam line. We've got an official timeout.
So official timeout brought to you by Hanson Brothers Moving and Storage, trusted Seattle mover since 1890. Hanson Brothers delivers reliable, professional, and local residential and commercial moving, storage, and logistics you can count on. Thank you, Hanson Brothers Moving and Storage. As it stands, Slam Diego Wildfires 21, TXRD All-Star Army 10 points with 9 minutes 23 seconds remaining in the first of 2 periods.
How are we feeling out here so far, crowd? Are we feeling good? Excellent. Honestly, that's pretty solid energy for how early it is in the morning, so. Just gotta sort out a little penalty confusion. Get the record straight. And we're back. It is indeed going to be a power jam for Slam Diego. This is Rogue Rammer taking the jam line for the first time.
Texas did make an illegal star pass on that last one. Rogue Rammer taken down in the Masonite. Texas reforming, but has the goat trap in the back, extending out the engagement zone, and Rogue Rammer is lead jammer.
So somebody in the chat say Great Wall, Texas, and I gotta say that I've had that thought just about every jam so far. Texas wall's so solid in the front there, and there we go again with that exact same 3 wall in the front that is just so effective. We're really fighting to get through, getting a little bit of an assist from Heat and Slip there, and there we go, breaks on through. No pack is called. Everybody's got a scrunch on up. And Rogue is coming around the mountain, ready to attempt another scoring pass here, but just gonna run out of time there.
Got knocked to the infield, still picked up 2 scoring passes, 9 points altogether. Bringing the Wildfires up to 30. Texas at 10 points. 2 jammers in the back. Little contingent of blockers on the track. No, there's 1 in the penalty box from Texas.
That is Malaboomer jamming for Slam Diego. And Hello Nurse jamming for Texas.
Now Boomer heat in the feet, getting through. Lead jammer at the top apex for Slam Diego.
And Boomer's coming around, picking up lots of speed, lots of momentum. I see some hops, some skips, some jumps. And Boomer's out for another scoring pass.
Hello Nurse gets blasted to the infield. Touch block there by Jax. Now Boomer in for another scoring pass. High steps like a fullback right through the center of the pack, picking up more points. Texas completes their initial pass.
Oh, nice. Smooth like butter right through. Picks up another 5.
Jam is called off right as Texas got to the back of the pack on a scoring pass. All-Star Army held scoreless that jam. Slam Diego extending their lead out by 14 more points.
Goodness. I think that might have been our highest scoring jam so far. Can they beat it? Only time will tell. And it's like, is that? And that is an official timeout.
They're still getting some penalties assessed in the center of the track. A full contingent of blockers. No, once again, I'm wrong.
All right. We have a power jam for Slam Diego. That is Farrell Fawcett. But Slam Diego is down 1 blocker, so we'll see what Farrell can do with this.
Great cascading blocks the infield by the All-Star Army in black. Farrell Fawcett has one to beat at turn 2. Pack has caught up.
Texas doing such a solid job just reforming right in front of Farrell. Ultimately breaking out, but again, like I said, Texas is really doing a solid job of slowing those jammers down.
Slam Diego does have the blocker trapped in the back, slowing down the pace of the pack, allowing Farrell Fawcett to catch up, go high and through, scoring points. Farrell Fawcett claws along the rail, gets a second scoring pass. Extending out Slam Diego's lead by 10, but it came at a cost.
They don't know it yet, but we do. There you go. We got a little power jam switcheroo. We had a Slam Diego power jam, and now we're going to have a Texas power jam. Just waiting for that whiteboard to go up with the official penalty. Oh, looks like we have another OTO. But this is how you know that the refs, they're really taking it seriously. They're not handing out penalties willy-nilly. We got to check our work, cross our T's, dot our I's. Attention to detail, that's what it's about.
Concuss Creations is a local print shop that has contributed to community-oriented organizations and events, as well as the music and art industry for over 23 years. Event season will look at shows and the dedicated for local links such as TV and Strawberry City, the Fresh New Gear Entertainment event, including a new collaboration
with Slam CD. Go see Everboards and check out ConcussionCreations.com and use a discount code BATTLE for 25% off.
All right, so Texas picked up a couple penalties there. We have 2 sitting in the box and 1 must skate because we do need to meet a minimum number of skaters on the track to have a jam at all.
Texas has a gun. Slam Diego has the numbers. 4-2 pack advantage on the Power Jam. Netflix and Kill started with a star. Now Fatality, number 37, jammer of record for the All-Star Army. 1-7, Stevie Kicks, excuse me.
Yeah, we have a star pass to the pivot. Unfortunately, the pivot also got stuck, which puts Texas in a pretty tough situation. In fairness to them, not easy to go up against a full cadre of blockers with just a handful of folks.
Slamurai throwing shoulders like a Stan Hansen lariat. The All-Star Army still working on their initial pass.
That's not going to be an uncommon sight for Slamurai this weekend.
Case in point.
Yep. Slamurai, by the way, has been playing. Slamurai has played in every single Battle on the Bank tournament since its founding. Is one of, I would say, Slamurai is your favorite skater's favorite skater. Every time we come to visit, I hear at least once, "Oh my gosh, is that Slamurai?" And in fact, it is. All right, so we got yet another Power Jam. We just keep swapping them back and forth. That's Alice in Thunderland taking it for Slam Diego. We got a very light pack, a 3-2 pack advantage for Slam Diego. That pack is booking it. Sometimes your best strategy when you've got a small pack is to just play keep away. Try to get away as fast as you can.
Alice in Thunderland goes in and out like Mama's squeeze box for a first scoring pass. Slam Diego using the numbers advantage to slow down the pack. Allowing Alice in Thunderland to make a second scoring pass.
Very nicely done. Alice is a fast skater and only gets faster with every lap that she's allowed to take. Picks up so much momentum. I'll tell you what, that was brave, being willing to get in front of her at that point. $19 points for Slam Diego on that last one. Looks like Slam Diego down 2 blockers, Texas down 1 blocker, but we
have 2 jammers in play at the moment.
A refreshing change of pace. All right, that is Rogue Rammer kind of up in the front, getting close.
And Fatality for the All-Star Army. Slam Diego does get out on the backstretch, picking up a lead.
Fatality almost broke out and then got caught by Snips at the last second and is now out. I think that's our first Apex jump of the tournament. Nicely done.
Quick 4 points makes the score Wildfire 77, All-Star Army 10 points with less than a minute remaining in the first period.
Hey, we got nobody in the penalty box. Oh no, we have somebody in the penalty box. Black is clear. Okay, I misheard. Texas is as good on penalties. We do have one in the box for Slam Diego. That is Boomer jamming for Slam Diego and Danny Darko jamming for Texas. Both jammers still in the pack. And Danny Darko breaks out, picks up lead for Texas.
Malibu Boomer finds an escape just a few strides behind. A lot of physicality in the pack as the walls get established on the backstretch. Jammers are neck and neck. Jam is called off.
Now that was exciting. I got chills.
No points scored, and that's how we go to halftime. Wildfire 77, All-Star Army 10. We're going to take a quick 5-minute break. Check out all our merchandise, our vendors, get some refreshments, and get ready to watch our next game happening in 5 minutes plus 15 minutes and change. Plus warm-up, whatever. Happening next. It's going to be LA versus Arizona. Multiple time Battle on the Bank finals happening right off the bat here at Battle on the Bank 15. Second half of our opening contest is going to happen very, very shortly. Slam Diego Roller Derby Wildfires 77, Texas Roller Derby All Scar Army 10 points. Action is going to be happening all weekend long here at Battle on the Bank 15. We have a series of round robin games happening today, tomorrow, which will determine the third place and championship games happening Sunday. We also have a local exposition game happening tomorrow. Make sure to scan the QR codes on the bleachers for your virtual event program.
And we're ready to get right back in it. These are half games today, so everything is very fast-paced. Just like the game of roller derby itself. That is Farrell Fawcett breaking out of the pack to pick up lead.
Aida Brains caught along the rail by a Slam Diego 2-all. Hands the star off to 4-6-2 Nicola Virus.
And Farrell finds that upper rail and takes it. Picks up 5 points.
Nicola Virus taking the infield, recycling back around, so working on the Texas initial pass. Here comes Farrell Fawcett on a second scoring pass, escorted to the rail by 17 Stevie Kicks, and down goes through, scores more.
Oh, we got a star pass for Texas. That is Nicola Virus.
Texas completed their initial pass as Slam Diego made a third scoring trip.
Sounds about right, but I never trust myself to count properly. You were correct. That was 3 scoring passes for 14 points for Slam Diego. Oh, we got another official time out. Skaters are going to head right back to those benches.
Monroe Pizza and Pints serving up the goods with our community. I'm going to try this again.
Yep, just run it back.
Monroe Pizza and Pints serving up the goods for our community with pizza, pasta, wings, calzones, stromboli, hot sandwiches, fresh salads, and cold craft beer. And proudly repping us on their pizza boxes around Monroe. That's Monroe Pizza and Pints.
We also got a critical correction from the chat on our pronunciation. We were saying Nicola Virus. It's Nicola Virus, which I get. I see the pun now. I that went right over my head initially. So I appreciate it. It's Nicola Virus, like Ebola virus. Yeah. So often the puns just simply go woof right over me. So this is why we love you, chat. It takes a village to announce a roller derby game, and I've always said that. We got a power jam for Slam Diego. That's Allison Thunderland, which is a beautiful tough hit right there from Netflix and Kill. Netflix and Kill indeed.
Allison Thunderland crawls along the rail, gets stopped again and again. 0W Bad Habits throwing shoulders escorting Allison Thunderland to the infield. Slam Diego still working on the initial pass with
There
this
was
power jam.
An attempted star pass there, but the star got dropped. Second attempt successful, and that is Hedy Lascar now the jammer of record for Slam Diego.
Texas defense at full strength. Slam Diego with only 3 blockers. Hedy Lascar now in scoring contention. Goes up and through.
Truly making it look so graceful, like the Hollywood star she is.
Great penalty kill by the All-Star Army, only allowing a single 5-point scoring pass.
Ruh-roh.
We are trading off power jams yet again. Low block called on Slam Diego. And Slam Diego taking a team timeout.
It's a nice change of pace. That's our first a non-official timeout. We got the team taking the timeouts that they are given.
I don't have a sign for that one.
Yeah, worth mentioning to the folks that are in-house, we got a cool make-your-own sign booth over there. And if you haven't taken advantage of that, why? Are you not excited? Are you not entertained?
This is my sign.
This OTO could have been an email. And that is so often true. No, I do see a couple. I've seen a couple signs out there. Everybody, and we've got a great turnout again for a rainy Thursday. We are just so happy to see ya. Chat, once again, keeping me honest. It is not Thursday, it's Friday. I've said it's Thursday like 3 times so far today.
Every day's Thursday if you just believe.
Why, if I had the power to believe what day it is, why would I pick Thursday? That'd be a terrible choice. I mean, there are worse choices, but Thursday's not the one I'd go
I think
with.
San Diego to Seattle, you do cross the international date line.
Yes, I think that's right. When you go directly up.
Hey, look, Derby's happening.
Hey, we're back. All right, that is Nina Guillotina jamming for Texas on Power Jam. Yes, this is a Texas Power Jam.
Slam Diego does have a full 4 blockers on the track. Texas down 1 in the pack. Nina Guillotina still working on the initial pass. Goes infield a little bit too close. Cavalcade of bodies going down to the concrete. Nina Guillotina back on the Masonite through the pack. The initial pass completed by the All-Star Army.
Still with 20 seconds left in this jam. That's plenty of time.
Texas does have one Slam Diego blocker caught. Slowing down the pack. Nina Guillotina now escorted to the infield by
That is
Jax.
Captain Jax. There we go. And Nina Guillotina finds it and does complete, I believe, one full scoring pass. We'll wait to get the official math, but yes, indeed, that was a full 5. The old Cinco de Rinco for Texas. Now this is going to come as a real shock, but we do have an official timeout.
Or as my friend from Terminal City used to call it, Dr. Jenny Fever, the NSO gun show.
Looks like we are going to have a power jam. We have a back block on the Texas Jammer. So it's going to be a power jam for Slam Diego with one blocker in the box for Slam Diego. So it's going to be a 4-3 pack advantage for Texas, but a 1-0 jammer advantage for Slam Diego.
Rogue Rammer's wearing the star. Gets thrown to the inside by Bad Habit.
But rebounds nice and quick. Gets back on that track.
Everyone establishing their walls on the backstretch. Rogue Rammer blasts on by Breezing for a first scoring pass. Pack is creeping up on the tippy top of the toe stops.
The old Fred Flintstone bowling move. Very nice. And she looks so pleased, too. Truly, you can tell she's happy to be here. Coming back around the mountain, ready to hit that pack. Texas is ready for it. Trying to find that lower. And the jam times out right before she sneaks past that last blocker. So we'll see what that was points-wise. That is Boomer jamming for Slam Diego. And
Danny Darko
Danny
wearing the star
Darko.
for Texas. Malibu has made an initial pass through the back, hopping over the turn one apex for a Slam Diego scoring pass.
Like a bird. And then a little Red Rover action breaks on through. That is a scoring pass for Boomer.
Danny Darko pushing up against Slam Diego's wall, coming into turn two. Here is Boomer now on another scoring pass. Gets caught up on the inside as Texas completes an initial trip.
10 seconds left in the jam. Oh, never mind. Never mind. 15 points for Slam Diego, bringing our score to 125-15. I just realized that there's no scoreboard on this side, so you guys are really relying on me to tell you what's going on, huh? And it looks like Texas did pick up a jammer penalty on that last one, which means that this is going to be another power jam. That is Farrell Fawcett taking it for Slam Diego. Woo, just jogging on past that upper rail. Very nicely done.
Full contingent of blockers on the track. Trading numbers at the top apex. Farrell Fawcett in scoring contention, bounces off the Texas 2 wall. Goes high, gets caught up, pack reforms, and Farrell Fawcett puts on the afterburners, completing a scoring pass.
Coming back around, that pack is poised and ready, but Farrell finds it again with sort of a jogging move along that upper, and that's another 5 on the board. Just a couple more Texas blockers to get through, and there you go.
That's the end of the jam. Slam Diego extending their lead on that power advantage. Alice in Thunderland jamming against someone who refuses to show me their numbers.
Against Ice Ice Bang Me for Texas. Ooh, very nice. Smooth like butter, that star pass.
That's Nina Guillotina, lead jammer for the All-Star Army.
Very nice. Coming around, ready to score. Alice is still stuck in the back there. So this is a really nice opportunity for Texas. And there you go. That's 5 points on the board for Nina Guillotina.
Slam Diego still working on an initial trip as Alice in Thunderland taken to the infield by Aida Brains.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Slam Diego completed an initial pass at the end of that as Texas picked up 9 points. Their first points that have not been in a power jam this game.
Yes, yeah.
It's a great effort there at the tail end of this opening contest. Wildfires 125, All-Star Army 24 with 4.5 minutes remaining in regulation.
Ooh, and that is Rogue Rammer coming out with a vengeance. Bursting out off of that pivot line. That was Gale Force Winds who had the star to start with, but then we had a star pass for Texas to Netflix and Kill.
In the fracas, Rogue Rammer busted through the pack, completing Slam Diego's first initial pass, or first scoring pass.
Here she comes again. Hitting that Texas wall. They're slowing it down, but ultimately pulls through. And that's the goal.
Netflix and Kill pushing against Slam Diego's wall now has the star for Texas.
Rogue checking the clock, deciding, yeah, I could do another one.
Initial pass completed by Netflix and Kill.
Ooh, that star is precarious. Making me nervous.
It's called fashion, look it up.
Yeah. Like the orcas with the salmon on their head. Oh, I heard the word jammer. And I heard power.
You've got the touch. You've got the power. Jam. Slam Diego.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I was like, I smell an OTO coming. If the pack doesn't form, we're gonna have to verify some things. Yeah, I heard the word jammer. I heard the word power. So my guess is there might be a jammer penalty that we're verifying right now.
I heard the words, don't do that again or Stan Bush will sue us. So 3 minutes, 3 seconds remain in regulation of this game. Wildfires are up 144. The Texas All-Star Army 24. Coming up next is LA Derby Dolls DDX versus Arizona Derby Dames Hot Shots.
Aha! All right. So it looks like we got 2 penalties for Slam Diego and 1 jammer penalty. Or were they maybe both jammer? This is what my glasses are for, and yet I don't use them. All right, so it does look like it is a power jam for Slam Diego. That is Boomer And yeah, I see 2 in the box for Slam Diego, and then just the Jammer in the box for Texas. So it's going to be a 4-2 pack advantage for Texas. That's a straightaway jump for Boomer. My goodness. Just bursting out.
Afterburners turned on. Boomer goes through untouched for a first scoring pass on the Slam Diego Power Jam.
And there you have it again. Just sliding along that upper rail like a hot knife through butter. There you go. That's another 5.
Slam Diego does have the one blocker trapped in the back, slowing down the pack. Maliboomer coming in again. Going high, going low, going through, scoring points.
.20 jam for Boomer and Slam Diego. Bringing our score is 164-24 with just under 2 minutes left in this game.
Bare bones pack on the track. Texas does have a brief advantage.
1 each in the box. And that is Farrell up against Gale Force wins. And Farrell is out. That's not Gale Force wins. I was completely off on that. That's Tony Montana jamming for Texas. Farrell coming around getting a beautiful hit by Hannibal Wrecker there. But gets down, gets back up again in true Chumbawamba fashion.
Star pass made on the Texas side. Danny Darko once again getting the star and completes the initial pass for the All-Star Army as Farrell Fawcett goes through on another scoring trip.
I remain very impressed. Texas has had some really beautiful, just textbook star passes this game. Looks like 9 points for Farrell and Slam Diego, bringing the score to 173-24.
Four-three pack advantage goes to Slam Diego, helping Programmer get through. Easy peasy.
Up against Fatality jamming for Texas, getting a little stuck behind that 3-wall there. And Rogue reapproaches, pulls on through. That's another scoring pass.
Fatality working on the initial pass there on the back stretch, caught behind every single Wildfires blocker.
Yes, that's what we like to see. That's the goal. I'm a big fan of the Apex jumps.
No quit in Texas's offense, helping Fatality get through, but still stuck in the initial pass as Programmer scores yet again. There is the initial pass completed by the All-Star Army.
There we go.
Programmer goes through as we have come to the end of regulation. 19-point jam by the Wildfires.
We gotta wait for that rolling whistle. You never know if the game is truly over until the refs... It's not over until the refs say it's over. And there you have it. Our final official score is 192 Wildfires to 24 Texas Roller Derby. Give it up for both of these teams. Whap, 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 wow. And that is our first game of the weekend on the books, folks. I believe these teams are going to do a quick victory lap, if I'm not mistaken. So if you want to come on down to the rail, get your high fives in. Once again, give it up for the Slam Diego Wildfires.
And keep it going for the Texas Roller Derby All-Star Army.
There we go. There they go.
We will take a brief intermission before we start our second game. Coming up next is LADD DDX versus AZDD Hot Shots. Plenty of time to visit the concession stands. Our food